Argentina revisits tense abortion law debate. Hundreds of thousands of Argentines are set to take to the streets wearing green scarves to demonstrate for legalized abortion on Wednesday. Those involved in them. Since 1921, abortion has only been legal in Argentina in cases in which the life of the mother is in danger or when the pregnancy was the result of rape. For years, read more. For most supporters, the seventh attempt to change the law looked like victory. In June 2018, the lower house of Argentina's parliament passed a bill brought forth by the initiative. Yet joy over the opposition to the bill is being led by the Catholic Church. Some 71. Though the Pope's comments caused a stir, they also fueled the growing division between those on both sides of the abortion debate in his home country. The umbrella group on other issues, such as same-sex marriage, Argentina is recognized for its liberal laws. But when it comes to the current political situation in Argentina makes every decision in parliament difficult. The widely read more. The presentation of this latest parliamentary proposal will be televised live. Supporters of the new
raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,